In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in Canva. Adding clickable links to your Canva designs is really useful, especially if you're creating things like presentations, digital planners, PDFs, or social media graphics that you'll share online. A hyperlink can direct people to a website, a specific page, a form, or any URL you want them to visit, all with a simple click. First, open your design in the Canva editor. This could be any type of design, a slide deck, a poster, a document, or even an Instagram post. Once your design is open, look for the text, image, or element that you want to turn into a clickable link. If you are linking text, select the text box first, then drag your cursor to highlight the specific word or phrase you want to make clickable. It's usually best to keep the linked text short and clear, like click here, learn more, or the name of the website. Once your text, image, or element is selected, right-click on it. A small menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option that says Link. When you click on Link, a small pop-up will appear, usually near your selection, with a field that says something like Enter a link or search. This is where you'll paste or type the URL you want to link to. Make sure you include the full web address and double-check that it doesn't have any typos. If you already copied the link from your browser, you can simply paste it into this field. After you've entered your URL, click on Done or Confirm the link, depending on what you see in your editor. Canva will now apply that hyperlink to the text, image, or element you selected. If you added a link to text, you'll notice that the text is now underlined, similar to a standard hyperlink you'd see on a website or in a document. This underline is a visual cue that tells people this is clickable. If you linked an image or another element, it may not look very different, so it can help to add a small note nearby, like click the image to visit this site. To test your hyperlink, use Canva's preview or export your design as a PDF or presentation and click on the linked area. If it opens the correct page in your browser, you've successfully added your hyperlink in Canva.